Okay, you talked about the Splash logo URL. Can you add a video as the Splash logo URL?
No, you cannot.
Any way around that?
Well, if you're, I don't see why that would be confusing to a viewer to have a slideshow that starts with a video. If you want a video on your homepage, if that's what you're trying to do, then you can definitely do that.
No, I mean, sorry, sorry to interrupt you there, Nick.
Yeah.
It was about the Splash URL, so when you go into a gallery, the first thing that they saw, in fact, was going to be a range of products. So that's why they wanted to put 6 images, kind of just to actually play straight away, to actually entice them.
No, that wouldn't, I know what you're talking about doing. No, you basically want it so that if I click portrait, it goes through like an interim video that shows off products, and then it goes into the gallery. And no, that's not possible right now. Well,
I thought that was quite a nice idea, to be honest.
It's not possible. It's not easily doable on SmugMug. What you would need to do is it would need to be advanced customization, where this link in your navbar goes to a page on external hosting where you have that set up, and then it redirects to your SmugMug gallery. So yes, it is possible. Is it easy? No, it is not very easy to do. You would need technical knowledge in order to do that.
Nothing is in life, is it? Easy, I mean. No. Okay, I've added events as a category, placed the galleries from my events into the category, and then added that the category to my customized links. It appears to be working just fine. Do you see any problems I'm not seeing with that? You can see if okay, they give me a link. I did really that far down. I thought that was a question that Carl had done. I'll have to go and have a look at that for you anyway.
No, it doesn't sound like that's a problem.
No, it shouldn't be.
All you did was you used events as a category, and just like how I had added portfolio as a link in the navigation bar, which went to the portfolio category that had my portraits and weddings galleries in it. I don't see any issues with that. If it's client galleries, the only issue I could think of is if your clients don't want their galleries publicly accessible. But in that case, any that don't, you can just make their galleries password protected and or unlisted so that it wouldn't show up and you could give them their links directly.
Okay. Can you add text to a page or pages? Galleries, I think they mean.
If you go into a gallery, you can add text in the gallery description, which is in the upper left here, right underneath the breadcrumb. And you can add plain text, or you can even add HTML in here. So you could modify the formatting of that text. And that actually takes me into a more advanced thing that you can do. Again, if you go to the most requested customization tips, and number 39 is, can I make an HTML only page on SmugMug? And there is information right here to do that. What that is going to do is create basically just a blank page on your SmugMug site. Here I can do it really quickly. Let me create a new gallery. So I'm going to create a new gallery. I'm just going to call it HTML page for our needs. And you can put in any category you want. So this is just creating the gallery for me. I don't need to upload anything to it. So click I'm done uploading. And then in the description, I'm going to add that text that I copied. Save it. And then there's some other information I need to change here. So this is going to be added into my CSS box in my advanced customization. So tools, account settings, under the style, we'll go to advanced customizer, manage, and that's going to go in my CSS. And you'll see here that says these XXXs. That is the gallery ID. So that is this number right here. So I need to copy that out. And for this section up here with the slash and the star, that is just a comment. So I can say, if you wanted to, you could add in that gallery ID and then give a plain text message of what that gallery is. So paste that in. So this top section of CSS here is removing the no photos box, which is this box. So here, let me show you in a logged out browser so you can see what your viewers would see by default. So by default, your viewers will see this. It says this gallery has no photos yet. And then once I publish this, it will remove that box, and then the HTML that you add into the description, and since it is actual HTML, you can format it to be a page. So you could paste in a maybe a contact form or something like that on this page. Make a bio page with a photo and text on it. You can do anything you want with HTML in this page. So that's basically how you create a blank web page. So what we did was it removed this gallery, the empty gallery box description.
Great tip, that. I like that a lot. I'm paying attention as well, can you tell?
Yep, there's always new stuff to learn.
Oh, yeah. Find those questions. Let me shrink this down.
Here, while you're looking for a question, let me mention one more thing I didn't mention earlier. So along with the Easy Customizer and Advanced Customization, if you just want to quickly change the look of your site, you can click Themes, and you can change choose a theme, which is going to be basically a color skin on your site. So there you go. It added a background. It changed the color of the boxes. In some cases, it will change the text colors. So if you want to keep this theme, then you click Save Theme Choice, and that'll save that on your home page. You can also change this in the Tools Account Settings under the Style section. Under My Themes, this is your site-wide theme. So I could change that to any of these that I want. Change it to gray polka dots. Save changes. And any of the advanced customization that you create, you can actually save it as a custom theme yourself. So if you have the look of different galleries, or I should say if you want different galleries to look a specific way, using advanced customization, you can save those as your own themes, and then you'll be able to select them easily. Let me save that. So now on the home page, you'll see the one look I chose, and in the galleries, you'll see the other one I chose in the account settings. So the setting on your home page, that is specifically for your home page, the theme button on here. That is not modifying every page on your site. So just keep that in mind if you're using themes. All right, on to the next question.
Any chance for additional fonts besides for the 8 that you can use? Can that be done in CSS?
Yes, you could use custom fonts via CSS. You just need to be careful with fonts, because just because you have a font loaded on your computer does not mean your viewers will have it. So if you choose a font that is not a basic font on the web, your viewers may not see that font. It will default to a different font. So just keep that in mind if you're using custom fonts through CSS.
Okay, any plans to include in Easy Customization the creator for drop-down menus? It seems to be given a lot of headaches, judging by the forum, the content, and it's quite a desirable feature.
Not at the moment. Drop-down menus are pretty complex. That's why we don't have them added through the Easy Customizer at the moment. We hope to in the future at some point, but I can't say anything on when that would get done. But for now, if you want to use drop-down menus, you would need to add that on your own.
Brilliant. Want to create a button for a navigation bar? Is that possible?
Use a button? Yes, you could use buttons. You would just need to use advanced customization to do that. The navigation bars using the Easy Customizer are all just text. So you could do that, just use advanced customization.
Is there an easy way to take one photograph up to be the full page on the home page?
Definitely. You can really do anything that you want. Here are some example sites of what other people have done with their SmugMug sites. So this is a SmugMug site right here. You can see it's got a different slideshow running on the home page. It's larger. It's custom arrows on it. And then he's got the drop-down menus with transparent drop-down boxes. And then his galleries, it's just a very simple, nice look. So you can really do anything that you'd like to do. And we've got, you go to smugmug.com, and just here under the left where it says beautiful, click see example SmugMug sites. And we've got a bunch of examples of other sites that have been done on SmugMug. So these pages or screenshots that are displaying right now in the slideshow, these are all SmugMug sites. So you can see they have a video there. They've got all sorts of stuff done to their sites that does not look like the standard SmugMug site. So with advanced customization, you can really do a lot of stuff on your site. And if you don't want to do it yourself, but you want to pay someone to do that, we have what we call our certified customizers, and there's a list of them on this page. So you can go to one of them, like for instance, Creative Soda does mostly custom work, but he just added some themes on his site. So he's got 4 themes here that you can view. Let me open one up. So this is a SmugMug site right here that you're viewing. And give it a second to load, and it'll have a custom slideshow as well. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do on your site. It's just if you have the knowledge to do it or want to pay someone to customize it for you. And on dgrin, specifically for a full screen slideshow, that is one of the, right here, there's the JFriend HTML5 slideshow. So if you go in there, there's code that shows you how to embed a full screen slideshow on your homepage. That's HTML, so it will work on things like the iOS devices.
Brilliant. Okay. Can I add a private login with a password that directs the clients to their gallery without them having to search through every listed gallery to locate the gallery? I've seen this on photography websites, but not on SmugMug.
You can do it, but again, it's through advanced customization. Sorry, I have too many tabs open here. Let's see. For instance, Fastline offers that on their templates. So if I go to preview one of these, it should have a client link. Yep, so they have a client link that has a client login. So they would be able to add that functionality for you, but that is not currently built-in functionality of SmugMug. So it is possible, but it is an advanced option that you'd need to add on your own. or have one of the customizers add it for you.
So, thanks, Nick. Have a brilliant weekend. We'll see you soon. Take care.
All right, cheers.
Bye-bye, everybody.